The sun is up, so are the Bush People of Lumsden. And meanwhile, back at camp, Pappy prepares to cut down a few trees. The trees are rotten, and one huge windstorm could mean destruction. Something Pappy and Tiny just can't afford. One wrong cut could be fatal. This not being their first barbecue, the men use a winch and pulley system to drop the tree right into place. The hard part begins after the tree is down, but that'll have to be left for another day. Tiny celebrates with all limbs still attached. It was another successful day for the duo. They'll sleep soundly tonight, knowing the camps are safe for another year.